Hello, my name is Carla Núñez. I live in the city of Puerto Cis, Putumayo, and I study at UNAT. Last Christmas, I was my family. We had a dinner. We were all together, and we had a great time. Next, I am going to present a typical recipe of this municipality. Tacacho. 4 green bananas, 1/2 pound of pork chicharron, a scallion, tomato, salt to taste. Cut the platanes and cook them without being in water with 1 tablespoon of oil for 25 to 30 minutes. Separately fry the pork or pork rinds over medium heat to obtain the batter. Then finely chop the onion and tomatoes, and then fry them in a pan with a little batter. When the plantain is ready, remove the excess water and begin to pour it gradually at the batter. Salt to taste. Pour greens in small pies, and the tomatoes and onion stewed. Do this until you get a homogeneous mix. Finally, make some tacacho balls and serve it hot. I invited you come and try this delicious dish. Thanks for your attention.